Hello teacher. Are you looking for ways to increase student participation during your presentations? Here is how you can do so using the Q&A feature on Google Slides. Firstly, go to the top corner where you can see the word slideshow. You will then be able to see an additional option, that is to use the presenter view, which will then be able to open up a new menu. The audience tool will get a banner prompting student to ask questions. The students can now use that link to go and ask questions while progressing through the slideshow. For example, I will be putting up a question as how to use the Q&A tool and submit. Next, in the presenter's view, you can choose to present the questions, and you can also see how many up votes and down votes a question has received. After answering the question, you can press hide and go back to your presentation. To stop receiving more questions, on top you can toggle it off and it no longer accepts any questions. The Q&A feature can also be used as an interactive assessment tool. Students can answer questions in real time, allowing you to provide immediate feedback and track progress. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.